UDP senior leader and former Home Minister Lakshman Rumboy has called for quick settlement of Assam-Meghalaya border dispute. He said that the skirmishes among the border are happening regularly, while hoping that the Chief Minister of both Assam and Meghalaya will make their best efforts to resolve the dispute. He also admitted that it is not easy to resolve the dispute in areas which are being discussed in the second phase of talks. Both government has constituted a regional committee to resolve the dispute in the remaining 6 locations.
That brought under the leadership of Conrad Kesam and the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, they have tried to come into understanding that this issue cannot be linger much. We have to find a solution. But a solution to this vexed issue as border is not very easy. And the regional committee, different regional committee, they try their best to address the issue. But as I said, that we have to see the consensus of the people. We have to see also the convenience of the people. And I'm very hopeful that the government, both the state and the people of border area will understand that this issue need to be settled once for all.